What is up, guys? Oh crap! What is up, guys? I'm just in the video. Today we're doing some more fireworks. So now we're getting ready for the big boys. You can barely see anything, guys. Sorry about that. But let's get into this.
There might be one of them. Hell, I don't know. There was 10 of them in there.
For real, it's gonna be dope. My dad over here, you can't even see him. Can't even see him. Still can't see him.
All right, guys, this is it. Hey, what's up? This is gonna be the good one.
The good ones. Oh my gosh, you got the big ones lighting up. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, we got competition over there. But I mean, of course, we're going to win because we're better. Hashtag better.
2, 1.
Oh. Madness is happening right now! Madness! That was so legit! That was 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 legitness right there! At its finest, man! I'm so hyped! Oh, I got it on YouTube too. So
I got it recorded.
Alright, you post it on YouTube. You post it on the channel too. Yeah, you post it on the channel too. Oh my gosh! That was crazy.
Yours chili. Right here.
Or, oh gosh, don't get too cocky now.
Dude, do that again, fellas.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh, there's more. There's more. See the part 3 to see more. Peace out, guys. I know this is out. See you in the next video.